Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll discuss why your car won't start and how to fix the issue. The following are some common reasons. The most frequent cause is a dead battery, resulting from leaving the lights on too long, aging, or having a broken charging system. A broken starter makes it impossible to turn over an engine. In such a case, you'll hear a clicking sound when turning the key. An issue with a gasoline system due to clogging in the fuel filter, an empty gas tank, or a broken fuel pump are also reasons a car won't start. An ineffective ignition switch prevents a car from starting as it powers the starter. Now, let's look at the best solutions. Ensure the starter is working and the battery is functional. Try to start the car and switch on the lights. Dim lights will indicate a weak battery, which you'll need to replace. If the car doesn't start, tap the starter with a hammer as someone tries to start the car for you. If the car starts, it indicates that the starter is damaged and should be replaced. Check if the fuel system is working. Start by ensuring the tank has gas by checking the fuel gauge. You can insert an endoscope into the fuel tank to check its level if the fuel gauge is faulty. Fill the tank with gas if empty and restart the car. Check if the fuel pump is working. Turn on your ignition key. If the car makes audible noises, it has an issue. You can replace the fuel filter if the fuel pump fuse inside the fuse box isn't damaged. You'll know it's damaged if your engine is stalling or running poorly. Your dashboard's check engine light will also start to come on. Jump start. Alternatively, you can jumpstart your car by connecting it to another car's positive and negative battery terminals using the red clamps. If you need assistance, take the car to a qualified mechanic who can identify the issue. Thanks for watching.